Hey guys, it's AJ. What's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So I'll talk to you guys. You guys, I'm gonna get my new tires on the rims, so it's gonna be fun. And drop Rachel off at the community living for her assessment. So that's what's going on. What are we gonna do, Grace? Grace. Say, wake up, Silas. What are we gonna do, Grace? Are we pick up Mom? Say, wake up. We have to pick up Mommy. So wake up, Silas.
Wake up.
So right now, you guys, we got my tires repaired. Yeah, there's other things that we have to get repaired, but it's just too expensive. But we are gonna get them done soon. Because I went to the other shop. So I went to Hyundai. They did my tires for cheap, which is not bad. Like I think it's $100 and something, almost $200, which is not bad to get 2 tires done and repaired and stuff, balanced and stuff. So that's not bad. So and then they found some stuff that I had to get fixed before sometime. So and then I looked around. The guy was really nice. He said you don't have to shop with us. You can look around and see where you can get parts and stuff. If you want to get the parts, that's awesome. Because it was going to cost at least $1,000 to fix it. But where I usually get my car done, I can get the parts for like the service was going to cost you a lot more. It's going to cost you $1,300. And that's expensive for my price, but they will work with me and them stuff. But I said, let me look around and see where I can get the parts and them stuff. If I can get the parts, can I give it to you guys? And they said, yeah, you can do like that. That will cost way lower, but still was going to cost over $500. But when I talked to one guy, he's going to charge for $300 and something for just parts, and then the labor's free. So yeah, it all worked out. Right now, you guys, I'm just heading to the base. To do my afternoon route, so talk to you guys when I get there, when I'm done. So I have someone that's coming with me this afternoon, which is cool. I have a buddy with me that's going to be coming on the route with me, so that is kind of cool. Guys, enjoy this episode. Guys, do give a big thumbs up. Good night.